talk about damage to your motorcycle, it's a lot different than when you talk about damage to an automobile. Frequently, bikers will do a lot of unique upgrades to their bike, and the insurance adjusters who look at them don't appreciate those upgrades. They see what year, make, and model the motorcycle is. They might notice some of the additional chrome parts, but so much more goes into detailing a bike. And that's often a frequent battle that we fight with the insurance company. Fortunately, I know enough motorcycle mechanic people who are able to come in and speak on our behalf.